We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up USD, JPY. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. It looks like it's consolidating with the second last candle in the market and also the third last candle in the market. So we do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, follow up with a midpoint. Also adding second level lows. Let's add one more. Okay, so let's take a look at price to see what's going on. So price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green candle with a long wick down to that bottom. So it could be an area of support that it's trying to come from for that market to push up to the next level. So we did receive an overall pattern at that low. So let's take a look at the overall pattern. So we have an overall first leg, overall second leg, third leg, fourth leg. We do have a retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice. So if the market is respected for this area here, market will be pushing up for that third time. If not, market can be coming down from a pattern, a near price. So we do have the third to last candle pushed up, second last candle came back to retest, and price is trying to push out that area. If that market identifies as a bearish red candle after that engulfs the price second and some of the price and second to last candle, market's going to create that double top and come down. If we receive the break and retest, price will be coming from a double top and a retest. Or that market can consolidate within that area of price action high, and price action low. Walking down to the weekly time frame, so we can see that support that's being respected below on the side of second last candle and third last candle, which is that area of support. So on the weekly time frame, price action is a bullish green candle working its way up through that SR line that we did create on the previous time frame. So if there's a pattern being formed, these spikes are going to be respected. We are looking for that overall first leg, second leg, third leg, and we do have that double bottom so far. So we're going to see if that market, as we walk down a time frame, that market is going to follow up with the retest for that market to shoot up from that double bottom and retest. So let's say if that market is rejected here and that market does come down, market's coming from that overall first leg, second leg, third leg, looking for a pattern to identify itself somewhere in this area. Market's coming down from that double top, may break and retest the bottom. And if so, double top and a retest. Or we can receive consolidation above this midpoint area, or maybe it can come back below that midpoint area. So somewhere within that zone area of that SR line to the top side or bottom side. So we're going to see what's going on as we walk down the time frame. Price action on the daily time frame, so we can see that W. So let's talk about it one more time. Price action below that overall first, second, third. Market did break. Okay, so we want to see if that market's going to follow up with a doji or maybe a retest. Candles coming back to that area of support for that market to fully break out. And if not, we can receive that pattern for that overall first, second, third. Market declines here, so that means we're looking for a pattern to identify itself from Forex pattern cheat sheet, and that market can come down from that double top. If not, we can receive consolidation within that zone on the daily time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is a bearish red doji, indecisive, matched up with the second last candle, which is a doji as well, and third last candle is a push. So let's talk about what's happening. On the 4-hour time frame, third to last candle spiked up, second last candle came up for another spike, and then price action pushed down to that bottom of that area. So it's identifying as these three candles identifying a double top and a retest. So if we receive a bearish red candle, that's going to engulf the second to last candle, maybe some of the third to last candle, or a nice pattern form in that area. Market's coming down from that double top and a retest. And if it respects here, that'd be just a level identifying the what? The break of that area, retest, and the market breaks to the X area, which is through the SR line, the retest to work its way up for that first, second, third, fourth. So we'll be looking for that incline W. Or we can receive that consolidation at the top side here. As we walk down the time frame, we're going to see how it's looking. On a 3-hour time frame, same as well. Price, second, third to last candle, still within each other. Market's consolidating. 2-hour time frame, same as well. Price, second, third, fourth, and fifth to last candles all within each other. It's consolidating. So as we walk down the time frame, we'll probably see a better pattern form to see what's really going on. On the 1-hour time frame, now we can see more structure. Let's talk about it. So price action on the 1-hour time frame, bullish green candle is it's consolidating at a midpoint with the price second, third to fourth to last candle of the market. So if we take a SR line, price action, high, that'll be the top of that zone, and we can see what price action is kind of lined up with that midpoint area here, removing the midpoint. So if that market is going to come down from that area on the 1-hour time frame, we are looking for that first, second, third, fourth. This will be the retest multiple times, and that market's coming down from a double top overall retest. Market drops down back to that low part of that SR line. If it breaks, we're looking for the break and retest. On the 45-minute time frame, we're starting to receive some structure. So if we receive a bullish red green candle at the price or at price, if this candle is still growing, it's currently still growing, we can see that area of support. So it can identify the first, second, third, push up for that fourth. So market's coming from that double bottom, and we'll look for a price to head back up to the SR line and to see what's going to do. And we can see that formation still, market's still kind of pushing, but price action, bullish green candle with the long wick up to the top. So it's kind of it's tagging that area here. So we don't know if we're going to get a decline here, but we definitely want to see a bullish green candle body start breaking this area here to work its way up further. Could be a retest, may or may not. But we're definitely looking for the break of this SR line that we just created. On a 15-minute time frame, we can see price action as a doji, bearish red doji with the long wick down to the bottom, creating that area of support. So you can see multiple touches, first, second, overall, third, fourth, retest, one, retest. If respect with a bullish green candle following up, coming from a quadruple bottom. If it comes down, multiple touches to that top side. Talk about it on a 5-minute time frame. So on a 5-minute time frame, just paying attention to the area. Don't want to go too far back, but overall, first, second, third, looking for that engulfment pattern here. So if we're looking for a price action candle to engulf at least fourth to last candle in the market, close out, market's coming down from that double top as we can see. On a 3-minute time frame, still follow up with a doji. So we're looking for a candle to engulf this doji. Long wicks to the top side and downside, but there's a pattern trying to form itself here. We'll talk about it on the 1-minute time frame. So in 1-minute time frame, we see multiple touches. So overall, first leg, second leg, third leg, and we look for that pattern to finish identifying itself. The market's in that consolidation, so you definitely want to see something break above these areas here and definitely clear these wicks. So there's a lot that can happen in this area for that the market to push in those directions for the upside or downside. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. USD JPY.